In this lab, we'll be seeing on how do you calculate your TCO calculator, which is total cost ownership calculator, right? When I open the link, I can see this TCO calculator page. So I just need to open the TCO calculator page, and then what I need to do, this is my total cost ownership calculator, right? Here I just need to add the list of all the workloads like such as servers, database, storage, networking, and other things. So let us try to fill it according to the sheet. So it is saying on the server, click on plus and then add these details. So I'm just clicking on server workload plus, and then I'm just giving the name as server Windows VM, right? And then I'm choosing the workload as Windows or Linux server, environment is VM, and the operating system is Windows, and VMs are 50. Okay, here it is virtual machines, and the list of VMs is 50. Okay, Hyper-V is fine, and then cores are 8, RAM is 16, so I have 8 cores and 16 GB RAM. Okay, so now this is added. Now next, what should I do? I need to add my another server workload, right? I'm having another server workload, and I'm giving the name of this as Linux VMs. Okay, I'm giving the name as Linux VMs, and then here it is again same Linux 5816. Okay, here I'm just saving it as Linux VM is 50 and cores is 8 and RAM is 60, right? Fine. Next, what should I do? Next, I need to go to my storage account and then add a storage for it. So the VMs is fine. Next, I'm going to my storage account and I'm just adding the storage names. Okay, so what should I do? This is local disk SAN HDD 60 TB 120 TB. So it was local disk HDD 16 TB and archive is 0, backup is 120 TB. Okay. Backup is 120 TB, archive is 0, right? So I'm done with my storage. Next, I'm going to my networking, and then I'm choosing output bandwidth as 15 TB. Okay, so here I'm choosing output bandwidth as 15 TB. I'm going to the next screen. Here, what should I do? So I'm clicking on next. Next, it says review the results and save a copy. So here I'm saying time frame as 3 years and region is North Europe. Right, I'm just trying to have everything. Electricity cost is fine, storage cost is fine, and then I'm clicking on next, and it says time frame is 3 years and region is North Europe. So I'm saying time frame is 3 years and the region is North Europe. Okay, so here if you see for the 3 years, the difference in your on-premises versus the difference in the cloud. So the green color is on on-premises, so it takes approximately around this much amount of money. Okay, whereas if you go to the cloud, it is going to save you this much amount of money. So it says for 3 years with Microsoft Azure, your estimated cost savings would be $618,000, right? So this is how you will be seeing a difference on premises. This might be your cost, and on Azure this might be your cost, right? So you can see this complete superb graph that has been done, and then you can see the different rates and everything, and by this you can download it as it is, and then you can send it to your management team. So this is how you need to do your total cost ownership between your Azure on-premises and your Azure cloud when you want to migrate it, right? So this gives you a complete overview of what are all the in detail analysis, what is the electricity cost, what is the software cost, what is an hardware cost, and the beautiful diagrams out of it and how much is the savings over here. So this is a very good tool given from Microsoft side. So try to use it and then let me know if you guys face any doubts. Until then, thank you.